Cells are the fundamental units of life, often called your body's tiny factories. Each cell, with its unique shape and size, performs essential functions that keep us alive. For instance, nerve cells transmit signals with their long extensions, while muscle cells enable movement. Despite their diversity, all cells share common features: a protective membrane, a gel-like cytoplasm, and DNA, the blueprint for life. At the core of cellular functions are four essential macromolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates provide energy, lipids store energy and form membranes, proteins perform countless tasks, and nucleic acids store genetic information. Think of glucose fueling your workout or proteins repairing tissues. Life thrives through intricate cellular processes. Plants capture sunlight in photosynthesis to create glucose, while both plants and animals convert it into energy through cellular respiration. These processes are interconnected, highlighting the dynamic dance of life. Cells group together to form tissues, which organize into organs, creating systems that sustain complex organisms. Understanding this hierarchy reveals how every level, from molecules to organisms, plays a vital role in our health. The field of life science is evolving rapidly. Technologies like CRISPR allow us to edit DNA, promising new treatments for diseases. As we explore these advancements, we unlock the secrets of life itself, paving the way for a healthier future.